Hello everyone, this is Boma General Technology, brains of Mapesa. I want us to know about the automatic uh, master timetable. Did we know that we can make an automatic timetable that we cannot have a headache when we want to make adjustments, or at any time that we want to make adjustments, we can make. This can happen in different steps. Because of that, I have brought this lesson. It's a lesson that has been split into different categories, and I'll be doing each of them phase by phase. There is a first step, but before I come to first step, I'll talk about the second step. So the second step is just to design how our timetable will look like. I will use this format of timetable where we have 3 periods, then break, 3 periods, break, and 3 periods. So this one will be designed as follows. I'll start it from C2 to M. This design should come from C2 to M. So I'll highlight these cells, three rows, and those 11 columns: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, so when we have done that, we can choose to format how this will be looking like the font size. We can increase it up to 14. That means everything that we will be writing in here will be 14. We can put it to as far as 16, because maybe when you make the timetable, you need to paste it on the notice board so people should be seeing it clear. If you want to change the font type, you can also change. If you want to say they should be bold, you can do the same. If you want to say the text in these cells should be aligned at the center, you can change the same. Then you can also choose to say what will be the format of the cells, like what will be the font color. Especially, you can choose to say I'll need white color, and the fill should be something like maybe blue, that one. Then you can choose to say, okay, then what about the borders? You can say I want to have all the borders. So that is. Then in here you will have to put now before we come to inside, then we have to set where we'll be putting our this side. You will be putting dates, days. So the days, we need to highlight a number of cells, because it is a master timetable, so it will be for the Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, and Form 4. But remember, in most of the schools today, the Form 3 and Form 4, they have the block periods. So because of that, instead of 4 cells to merge, we are going to merge 6 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we merge up to here. Then we can choose to merge that one. So if we want to have a lot of them, then we can copy, then we skip 1, then paste, we skip 1 again, then paste. Remember, we have 5 days in a week, so we'll paste that. Then we paste. We are meant with 1. Then we paste again. So we have all this. Because this, we can also choose to highlight the same up to here. Then we can choose to say we want them to be bold again. We want to adjust the font size there we did put 16, so we can also put 16. We can choose the alignment that they should be, the text should be at the center. Then we can also choose to copy this. Then we'll have 1, 2, 3. Number 4 is a break, so we can paste there. Then 1, 2, 3. Number other one is a break again, so we'll put there because we'll just be writing there the break. Yeah, so that is the first lesson that we have. So we can choose to save this one because next lesson we'll look at that one. So we can save it as automatic master TT, automatic master timetable. Where do we choose to save? So we can save in my documents, automatic master TT. See you next in the next lesson where we'll explain something else new. Thank you for listening and watching.